All right, guys, I really need some help on this one. This is a 2011 Nissan Rogue S. It's the all-wheel drive version. It's got it's got 64,000 miles on it. So I spent all weekend working on it. I put in a CV axle, Serpentine belt, and I did a brake job on the front. So now here's the deal. I went to go crank the car up. It's been sitting here for about a week. It's not ran in a week. The battery was completely dead. So the first thing I did was I used my battery charger on start mode at 55 amps. And as soon as I hooked juice to the car, it started wigging out. I mean, it started doing crazy stuff. I mean, the car is literally possessed. And basically what it started doing is, first thing happened is the four-way blinkers came on. So that's what you see right now. That's all it'll do. Four-way blinkers came on. The hazards are not on. The headlights came on. The headlights are not on. Okay. So, charged the battery a little bit, but basically the car will not start. The car will not start at all. So, all right, if y'all watch this, and I've got it jumped from a big ass truck over here, so I know I got plenty of juice. It's like probably, 13 volts. So disconnect that, and I disconnect the negative part of the battery. Okay, you see this? Lights go off, car's dead. Dead car, dead, dead, dead. First thing I do is hook the battery back up. The four-way flashers back and front, that's the first thing happens. The four-way flashers come on. And then you wait a few seconds, the headlights come on, okay? So I'm gonna just go ahead and make sure I give it all the juice. All right, so now the car, a fresh reboot basically, has all the juice in the big ass truck over here. We're good. Everything's good and bright. Flash is still flashing. Go inside the car. Go inside the car. Okay. Now, the first thing you'll notice is, and I think this is the anti-theft deal. So the car is, I know the car's in lockout, okay? So I understand that, but the thing, okay, you can't turn off the flashers. You can't turn off the headlights. You see the headlights are on. They're off. The headlights are on. The hazards are on, but the button does no good. So I still think it's got something to do with the anti-theft, okay? Key is in the ignition in the all position. Turn the key to accessory, okay? No radio, no nothing, doesn't do a thing. As soon as you turn the ignition on, watch this, okay? So you get all the idiot lights like normal. You get the check engine light, ABS light, all-wheel drive light, everything just like if you're getting ready to start the car. And also the headlights are in bright mode. Windshield wipers come on. Windshield wipers are off. So see, it's off. Windshield wipers are off. Brake in, start the car, nothing. No ignition, no nothing. So I don't know what to do, guys. I need some help on this one. I really don't know what to do. I really, really, really need some help from the interwebs. I'm gonna stick this on YouTube, see if anybody can help me. I spent all weekend working on this car. It started out with a CV axle replacement. I got that done. I put the Serpentine belt on it, and I did a brake job on the front. That's it. Car was dead, and this is what I'm left with. Horn works, but it's got something to do with this, I'm sure. I don't know how to clear that. It's got this key. It's got this key here, and okay, the doors are closed. They lock. They unlock. Even the hazard, the go find my car panic button works. So I'm at a loss, guys. I am really at a loss. I hope someone will see this video and help me out, because I'm at my wit's end with this car. This car is possessed. This Nissan has literally become a nightmare. It's a nightmare car. All right. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I really need help on this one. I'm putting this video out there. I'm putting this video out there for help. I'm at my wit's end with this car. I'm at a loss. Just at a loss.